Is Alsco refusing to sign for your certified letter? Or are they not claiming a certified letter that you sent? Well, then this video is for you. Okay, so this is what I've been seeing recently is that uniform rental companies, because they don't want you to contract, they have been not signing for or not claiming the letters at the postal service when you send it to them. And their excuse sometimes is this, that, well, we don't man the front office, and so we're sorry about that. Well, they could remedy that by taking the notice that they received from the postman or the postwoman, and they can go down to the post office and pick their letter up, but they don't. And so I've been getting a lot of these letters and from customers, and they want to know, what can I do about it? Well, you have to do a couple things. It's extremely important, and I'll tell you why in a minute, but you have to do a couple things. So follow up by sending a letter, maybe send out another certified letter to prove it. Send out an email to the manager or several managers. Get a response, wait to get a response back from them saying that they received it. You can even have the driver sign for it when they come by. Just make up a little letter, or even go down to the local Alsco office and hand deliver it and get them to sign for it. Because I can guarantee you 50% of everybody that goes to arbitration because they received a liquidated damages letter and they did not pay for it, and then they get taken to court or arbitration, they lose their case. They lose their case because they failed to send a certified letter when they were attempting to send their breach of contract letter. And guess what? All of their emails, all of their pictures and videos of the poor quality and poor service and all their documentation means absolutely nothing because they failed to deliver it. And guess what? The contract is you might say, well, the person received, they sent me an email saying that they received it and that it was okay if I emailed it to them. Well, look at what the contracts say in some of these. It says this agreement can only be amended in writing and signed by such general manager. That's what it says. And you have to adhere to that. If it says you have to send it by certified, you have to. Now, if you make multiple attempts in multiple different ways, you can make that argument that they were intentionally operating in bad faith, and then the arbitrator or the judge will accept that. But you do make a strong attempt to do that. If you need help doing it, call me, because you don't want to lose when you get to arbitration. Like I said, 50% of people lose when they get there. So like, subscribe, share it with your business owners. That's who I help, business owners. If you want a free consultation, send me a copy of your contract, send me a copy of your invoice, and then I'll give you a free phone call. We'll talk about it and see what we can do, okay? Maybe it's something simple and you don't need to hire me. I could just give you a simple solution to it. But anyways, go ahead and do that, guys, and we'll talk later. Bye-bye.